सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम मिसेस शगुफ्ता। सो आज मैं आपको जो मेकअप वीडियो दिखाने वाली हूँ वो मैं एक अपनी बड़ी बहन के ऊपर करने वाली हूँ। सो प्लीज़ लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट। एंड शी इज़ माय सिस्टर। स्माइल तो कर ले। सो जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि अभी कोरोना चल रहा है, सो ऑलवेज सैनिटाइज योर हैंड्स फर्स्ट। किसी के भी ऊपर मेकअप करते हुए, अपने ऊपर भी मेकअप करते हुए। नाइस एडवाइस। थैंक्स। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So first I'll be spraying rose water and saffron toner on a face. I've cleaned her face nicely, and I'll be spritzing some toner. And next I'll be using this Plum Ka moisturizer because she has oily skin, so I'm using this one on her face. So I've already applied moisturizer and toner on her skin, and now I'll be priming her skin and we'll start her makeup. So for primer I'm using this Maybelline Master Prime in the 100 Blur plus Smooth Primer. So the primer helps in blurring the face and any pores. So as I've already applied the primer, I'll be using this Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beige. And as she is more towards the fair side, so I'll be using this foundation. Is it? Yes, it is. So then I'll be blending all of this with the beauty sponge as it is very necessary. So guys, never forget the neck area. I have applied the foundation and blended it with the brush off camera. So now I'll be just setting it. And it is necessary to melt your makeup. So that is why always use the sponge at last to get a flawless finish. So now I'll be taking this Fit Me Compact in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So now after completing the makeup, apply some lip balm as it will help the lips to moisturize till you have completed your makeup. Please do ah. Don't laugh. It won't. And she's not having that much of dark circles, so I don't want to apply any concealer. So I'll just be baking her eyes, and I'll just be applying some loose powder under her eyes. So whenever you're applying anything under for baking, always use a dense brush like this and just apply it down just a little bit, not very much. Please roll up your eyes. So I'll be using two eyeshadow palettes. One is this Revolution eyeshadow palette, Flawless, and this Huda Beauty. This is the dupe one. And so first I'll be using the Huda Beauty palette to for her outer corner of the eyes and everything. I'll show you how to do it. So first I'll be taking brown shades. Like this is the brown shade, this is the brown shade. These two are brown shade. You can choose any eyeshadow palette and use brown shades. So I'll be taking first a light shade. Like I'll be taking this shade and I'll be applying to her crease. Tap off the excess, apply to her crease. Take very little amount of product so that you can build it up, because once you take more product you can't build it up because it becomes very difficult to build it up and sometimes it gets bad also. So now I'll be taking this darker shade. You can see how much I've used that because the pan is almost finished, and I'll be starting it from the outer corner. Blend, blend, blend. That is the key. So I've blended the brown eyeshadows into her on her eyes and just look. So now from the same palette I'll be taking this black shade to apply to her outer corner too. So I'll be using this small dense brush, and I'll be just taking some, just a light one. Tap off the excess, then again go to the outer corner like this. Just see the process in which I'm applying. Just the outer V, lightly. Take little product and build it up. That's it. That is the key. So this is how the final look is from the outer corners. You can just a close up, close your eyes, just see how beautifully the outer corners are looking. So now I'll be using this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'll be taking most probably this shade and this shade. I'll mix these two shades and I'll create a kind of a look. You can use any shimmer eyeshadows, whatever is available to you. You can just mix and match anything and try it. So I'll be taking this flat shader brush, and I'll be taking that rose water which I had used the first, and I'll be just spritzing it onto the brush. And when the मतलब जो फ़ायदा होता है हमें इससे वो ये है कि जो भी आई शेडो हम इसमें लेते हैं, जो भी शिमर आई शेडोज हम लोग इसमें लेते हैं, तो प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा आता है, प्लस आईज में पूरा लगता है विदाउट एनी वेस्टेज. सो दैट इज व्हाई. Close your eyes. So just take the eyeshadow in the brush and just taking this shade now, like this, tap out the excess, and then just see. I've applied it. Just can you give a close up? Yeah, thank you. Just apply it. So I've completed this eye, and I'll be going to adjust this eye accordingly. Like you have to see close up. Like I have applied the shimmer eyeshadow, and then I'll be taking this brush only, and I'll be again reapplying it and perfecting it, the crease, because some of the shimmers have been deposited in the crease, so that is why. And then I'll be taking this black brush, and then I'll be applying it to the outer corner, so just to dense the black eyeshadow, and you can just see. So this is the final look, how it is looking, as you can see. So now I'll be applying the eyeliner, and that is the Calabar All Matte Eyeliner. So I'll be applying it to our eyes. So now I'll be applying the eyeliner, and that is the Calabar All Matte Eyeliner. So I'll be applying it to our eyes. So now I'll be applying the eyeliner, which is the Calabar All Matte Eyeliner. So I've applied the eyeliner in our eyes. You can just see, just show that side. And it is looking, you can apply just a thin type of an eyeliner. Then I'll be using this Maybelline Falsies mascara to coat her eyelashes. So now for the lower lash line, I'll be using this Maybelline Eye Studio Kajal, and I'll be just applying a small, I'll be taking a small quantity and be applying to the lower lash lines. I did not show the eyeliner and mascara uh, footage because it was very difficult to apply at that time, so that is why. Please, so you have to just apply it to the outer corner and just slightly towards the inner corner, and that's it. Just apply the deep layer in the outer corner, and we'll smudge it later. So I'll be applying to that eye also. So I'll be taking this kind of a brush, and I'll be smudging the outer lash line like this, like where you have applied the kajal, just smudge it towards the inner corner. So that no harsh lines are visible. So now I'll be contouring and applying blush and all things onto her face, sorry. So I'm taking this contour brush, make a fish face, and apply contour like this. If you want a deep chiseled jawline, always apply cream contour and then apply powder contour. Take it towards the, like this, and then like this towards the down area, so that to get a chiseled jawline. So I'll be doing this side also. So after applying contour, I'll be taking some loose powder. I'll be taking this sponge, you can use any sponge, and just apply it towards the area down the contour, just to get a chiseled contour. This trick is applied. At the end you will see she'll get a chiseled contour like this. and let it bake, and I'll apply blush and highlighter till that time. So now I'll be taking this blush in the blush brush, remove the excess, please laugh, show the apples of your cheeks, and I'll be applying it. So this Maybelline blush is a very subtle blush, just does not give you a tube light वाला face I say, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा पिंकिश ग्लोइश नहीं, जिसे अच्छा लगता है वो कोई और ब्लश भी लगा सकते हैं जिसमें आपको रेड टाइप्स ऑफ चीक्स चाहिए, अगर वो आपकी पसंद है आप कैसे भी करके लगा सकते हैं. मैं इसको Maybelline का लगा रही हूँ क्योंकि जैसे सटल मेकअप चाहिए, so that's why. So I've applied the blush and now comes highlighter, the best portion. So now comes the best part, that is the highlighter part. I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator, and this is a very good highlighter. So I'll be using this fan brush and taking loads of highlighter, laugh, and I'll be applying it to the nose, to the, and then towards the chin and towards the cupid's bow. Just this looks very good like this. So there you how it is looking. So now I'll be removing the baking uh, thing from her face. So see, you can just see the effect which is coming after baking. And now I'll be applying lipstick. Now I'll be using the Maybelline lipstick in the shade 80 Ruler, and I'll be applying it. You can use a brush, whatever is convenient to you. Be very precise while applying. Sorry. So now I'll be using the PAC makeup finishing sprays to just take away the chunkiness. So I sprayed the makeup setting spray, and I just gave it 1 to 2 minutes to set, and now I'm taking my sponge and just dabbing it onto the skin so that it soaks up the excess product and all the makeup looks natural and flawless. That is why, as you can see, it has taken all the shine and it has given you just the glow, inner glow, as you can see. And this is the final look. So I'll just do the hairstyle and will come back.